Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, you need to type in Magic Fluids and install this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and if you wish to mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one, click on Set as Live Wallpaper, and choose this gear at the top right corner. In order to continue, you need to choose I accept in First Things First pop-up, and then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. Then click on the back button, choose Set Wallpaper, and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you wish to change its settings, go back to the same app, then select the bottom right corner, Set as Live Wallpaper, click on the same gear and change any settings you wish. Now you need to go back, tap on Set Wallpaper again, and go back one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!